This is the ancient ketchup of the Roman world. Garum is one of the oldest condiments in human history and might be off-putting at face value. But this fermented fish sauce has a rich history dating back to ancient Rome, and its use might intrigue you. While its preparation has evolved, garum continues to be beloved by chefs worldwide for its robust umami flavors. Pliny the Elder described garum as a choice liquor made from fish guts and other discarded parts. Today, garum is considered a classic Roman name for fermented fish sauce and is similar to Southeast Asian fish sauces but with a funkier flavor. Garum was traditionally made by fermenting small fish like sardines and mackerel with a salt brine over a long period of time in upwards of 2 to 3 months. These small fish would be placed in either open-air vats or in sealed pots to let the fish disintegrate with the presence of their own digestive enzymes, creating this umami salty liquid. Garum was used as a table sauce in ancient Rome and was poured over food. It was also used to flavor pork, fish, and wine, and combined with other ingredients to create compound condiments. The sauce was available in different grades and prices, with thinner versions being more expensive. Modern chefs see garum as a magical ingredient to flavoring dishes and recreate garum using different ingredients like seafood, other animals, insects, and vegetables fermented with salt and koji, a fungus commonly used in soy sauce. These modern versions offer powerful but delicate flavors and are less salty. The sauce is used in various dishes, including soups, sauces, meats, and even cocktails. You can also get your very own bottle of garum online, like the premium Matisse Flor de Garum, or you could try your hand at making this ancient condiment. Good luck. There you have it, the ancient history of one of the world's oldest known condiments that's still in use today. Thanks for watching, and tune into our next episode where we dive into your burning condiment questions. What condiment questions do you have? Drop them in the comments and yours may be featured in our next episode. Till next time, my friends, stay saucy.